Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of muscle metabolism, how our muscles produce energy and what happens when they get tired. Our muscles rely on ATP or adenosine triphosphate as their primary energy source, but how exactly do muscle fibers produce ATP? First up is the creatine phosphate system. This is the muscle's quickest way to generate ATP, especially during short, intense bursts of activity like sprinting or heavy lifting. Here's how it works. Muscles store creatine phosphate, a high-energy molecule. When ATP levels drop, creatine phosphate steps in, donating a phosphate group to ADP to regenerate ATP, instantly powering your muscles for about 15 seconds. Next is anaerobic glycolysis. When oxygen is in short supply, muscles break down glucose into pyruvate, producing ATP quickly but not as efficiently. In the absence of oxygen, pyruvate converts to lactic acid, which can build up in your muscles and lead to fatigue. This system fuels your muscles for 30 to 60 seconds of intense activity. Finally, we have aerobic respiration, the most efficient ATP production method. This process takes place in the mitochondria and requires oxygen breaking down glucose into carbon dioxide and water. This system is ideal for long-lasting activities like jogging or cycling, producing a much larger amount of ATP, enough to keep you going for hours. But what's the difference between anaerobic and aerobic respiration? Anaerobic doesn't require oxygen and provides quick, short-term energy with only 2 ATP per glucose molecule. In contrast, aerobic respiration needs oxygen and generates up to 38 ATP per glucose molecule, making it much more efficient for endurance. As muscles work, they eventually get tired. This fatigue happens for several reasons. One major factor is the depletion of energy sources like ATP and glycogen. As your muscles work harder and longer, these reserves run low, reducing your muscles' ability to keep contracting. Another cause is the accumulation of metabolic byproducts like lactic acid. This buildup can lower the pH in your muscles, making it harder for enzymes to function properly, which leads to fatigue. Fatigue also occurs when there's an imbalance in calcium ions, which are crucial for muscle contraction. Additionally, your nervous system can get tired, reducing the signals it sends to your muscles. Understanding muscle metabolism helps us appreciate how our bodies produce energy and what we can do to prevent muscle fatigue. Whether you're lifting weights, running a marathon, or just staying active, knowing how your muscles work is key to optimizing performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights into how